Rebuilding Together is the nation's leading nonprofit organization working to preserve affordable home ownership and revitalize communities. This year, our team of over 35 volunteers had the pleasure of helping a Tacoma resident whose husband passed away over 10 years ago. She's lived in the home since 1963, raising 5 children, and now has many grand and great-grandchildren. The Washington State South Sound chapter of Rebuilding Together was formed in 2001 and has already performed over $3.5 million worth of assistance to local families. Every year on Rebuilding Day, they help organize 40 to 50 revitalization projects to help the elderly and disabled. This was just one of the many volunteer projects from the 2011 Rebuilding Day. Thank you to all the people who volunteered, as well as all the corporate sponsors who provided everything from paint to coffee.